Where we at today? We're in Best Buy. Yeah, we're in Best Buy today and we're looking at washers and dryers. So, while I'm out here looking at washers and dryers, I'm going to drop a little bit of knowledge on you guys, a little bit of wisdom on you. Alright, here's the deal. For some reason, not all machines work in Jamaica. Yes. Not all machines work in Jamaica. So you look for that pretty washer and dryer there on Best Buy, and you decide to it you want. The pretty LG. I have one of these at home. It's pretty cool because I could start it from my phone. But when you look at the pretty stuff on Best Buy, you best make sure ask if it will work in Jamaica. Because the I did bought a washer dryer, build up a crate for it, pay the wicked custom duty, bring it come to Jamaica, yeah? And when I pull it out, I realized that it can't work in Jamaica. I was in Ochi. I was at the property in Ochi. And it become a nightmare star. For real. A real nightmare. So some guy come and told me that he could rig up something with car battery to get it to work, and he was ready to give me a demonstration. Guess what happened? After fiddling with the thing for a while, I put the hunk of scrap metal on the sidewalk. Yes, I did. Ran out of patience messing with it. Put it on the sidewalk, and I drive over to a place called Great Pond by the entrance, the old road over by the Ruby's gas station, like you're going back to Fern Gully. And I found a used washer guy, and I paid 40 grand for an old school turn up the knob washer, you know, the one when you spin it, and put that in the house and forget about it. So before you make the same mistake of bringing something to Jamaica, pay to ship and clear it and get there and it doesn't work, there's some slight difference with the electricity in Jamaica. Alright, you ever notice when you plug in a barber shear in Jamaica, how much noise it makes and you have to put sponge in it? Because there's a slight difference between the electricity in Jamaica and the US. So don't make that mistake, alright?